Hello, Heather Broadbent here, calling all creators. I have a very special message to put out into the world today, and this special message is this. We are all master creators, and all we have to do is tap into the universal flow of energy, of the creative energy. All around us is constant creation, as you can see here in this beautiful path in Bulgaria. And the universe doesn't think what to do next. It doesn't think, okay, what's the next creation? It just does. It acts and it does. And all the time that we spend thinking and not doing doesn't really get anything done. So just do. Just do it. And my message that I want to share to the world that I think is very much needed is that we all have a special gift inside of us. And as artists, as musicians, as creators, the reason why we are drawn to these activities, to these arts, to music, to instruments is because we are chosen by that voice. So, for example, me, I'm a violinist. The violin chose me at a very young age, at 3 years old. I fell in love with the violin. Even though I didn't get to play the instrument till I was 9, I did what I could at 5. I started the piano, and the violin has been part of my life, my entire life. And I chose, after the university, to pursue that dream. However, I was a little concerned about money and finances, and I had a fear. How can I do this? I had a limiting belief that musicians can't make money, that you can't make a living at being a musician, and that it's very difficult. The road is very hard. So for 3 months, I was a makeup artist for Calvin Klein Cosmetics and had the training, and it was a lot of fun. I got to go to San Francisco, but my soul was dying inside, slowly, every day, dying. And I knew my answer. I had to be a violinist. I had to be. So I pursued my life, my career. It all became one. And I was able to successfully make a living, to never ever want for anything, never not have food, the starving artist syndrome or beliefs or thoughts. That's all limiting beliefs and fear. So if you are an artist or creator that's out there and you're just battling these fear beliefs, these beliefs based on fear, just know that that's not the case. You can do it. You're chosen. You wouldn't be chosen if the voice didn't believe that you had the power to do this. And it's not about you. It's about raising the vibration of energy of the people around us and of the world. We all need you to practice your gifts. So find a way to do this, to connect to your inner self through your artistry. Okay, much love and light from here in Bulgaria. And until I see you again in another video or online training, remember, be true, be you, be.